In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Copilot mode inside Microsoft Edge. To do this, all you need to do is open your Microsoft Edge browser. Next to the profile icon, you'll see three dots. Just click on them and then navigate to Settings. On the left side of the Settings menu, you can find the option labeled AI Innovations. Click on it, and there you will see the setting to enable or disable the Copilot mode. In my case, it is already enabled, but in your case, it will likely be disabled. Simply toggle the setting to enable Microsoft Copilot mode. A direct result of enabling this feature is that whenever you open a new tab, your homepage will change to a specialized Microsoft Copilot interface. However, if you want to turn on Copilot mode but prefer your traditional new tab page, you can simply disable the Copilot New Page tab option in the same AI innovation settings. A consequence of disabling the specialized new tab page, however, is that you also won't be utilizing the Journeys feature, which allows Copilot to summarize your browsing data and page content, making it easier to revisit past work. If you want to see all the features that Copilot provides, you can click on Explore Copilot mode. This will take you to a page detailing its advantages, which are similar to features found in Perplexity's Comet AI browser and ChatGPT's Atlas. Edge's Copilot integration essentially turns it into an AI browser with agentic capabilities. The two most important features showcased are Copilot Actions and Copilot Journeys. Copilot Journeys remembers your browsing path so you can revisit research and resume tasks. The Copilot Actions in Edge Preview, however, represents the true agentic capabilities, allowing the AI to get things done by taking on tasks you would rather skip. While Microsoft is actively showcasing these agent capabilities, if you turn on Copilot mode right now, you won't be able to use the full Actions feature immediately, as it is only available for people who join the waitlist. To join, you simply need to click on the Explore Actions in Edge Preview option, which will redirect you to a sign-up page. Here, you will be asked to fill up a short form, entering details such as your email address and country region, and then click Submit. As soon as this full agentic feature is available to you, they will send you an email granting you early access. So that was all about turning on the Microsoft Copilot features inside Microsoft Edge. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on Perplexity's Comet AI browser, just click the video appearing on your screen.